So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find out the population of any city with the live data. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser where we can do the same steps from your smartphones as well. And here you have to search for citypopulation.de. Just simply go to this website. Let's just wait for it to respond. And here you can see the page will open something like this, and you're gonna find a country statistics map which shows the population among the different countries, different regions, and you can find any of the country you want to select. Let's just, for example, select Canada, and once I select Canada, here you can see I can sort them by top 10 cities of the populated provinces, and here you're going to find the data about the provinces of top 10 cities by population. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.